Today I am telling about the class states instance means instance variable and behavior means methods. A template that describe the kinds of the state and behavior that support of its type. It's called a class means a template that describe the kinds of the state and behavior that object of its type support. And statement instance variable. Each object or instance of a class will have its own unique state of the instance. The variable is described in the class, the collective value and assigned to object instance variable make up to the object state. This is called state. Behavior means methods. Behavior in which we write the some logic and have some return type, and we in other word we can say store some things. The method are where the class logic is stored. This is called method. Method are where the real work get done. They have the where algorithm get executed and data get to manipulate. This calls methods. Identifier and keywords. Identifier means which types of the component is supported by the Java. The all Java component are just talk about the class, variables and methods and need names. In Java, names are called identifier. You can expect their rules, what constitutes and legal Java identifier beyond the what's the legal. You also check out on Google legal identifier. You get the just information about the legal identifier and keywords of the Java. You can search identifiers and keyword. In Java. The keyword is also reusable from the Java keyword. You can check here any link you can open and read. Identifier always not start by the number. You cannot create a variable by the first character is start with a number. You can start dollar, otherwise underscore, like this. Java keyword means whatever we want to going to use in Java, like abstract, assets, default, go to, package, synchronize, and public, void, case, catch, class, finally. I will discuss these keywords in other tutorial. You can see my tutorial regularly. You can get the information about all keywords in brief. So now I am telling about the inheritance. Inheritance means parent-child relationship. We create a class here. Parent. And also create a other class child. And extend the parent. Right, and right here main method and create object parent is equal to new child, and sys out and print this is child class object. You see here child at the rate has code 6 in this is hash code, and first is name of the class at the rate. After at the rate you see a mixing of the numbers and chars. This is a hash code, and right here a method public void get int get parent and sys print something hello parent, and I call this method by the child class object parent dot, and on this you get hello parent. And now child equal to new parent. Let's give the compiler error because child not references by parent, because child access all property of the parent, but parent cannot access the child property, so that parent cannot references by the child. Parent is references by child, child is not referenced by. I casting this, it means you telling your parent this I offer you, so that is fine, but it's give the compiler error. Exception thread main class cast exception parent cannot be cast to child. You see here I want to sing something meaningful here. We create here private string name and create getter settled method here, and want to print here something and comment this section. Now we override the toString method. Source, we go to generate toString, and you can see here now child is null, and you assign pa parent dot set name here. By default name is Kunal. And sing. Now it's printed. You can see here child, the object few minutes ago you see here something in hash code format now is meaningful. It's print referencing by default, and toString is object class method. Here I am right here override this method and child class so that it give this type of the output when we print the parent class of reference here. You can see check out the toString method object class. Now open the object class. Object class, it is the root of the hierarchy. It means every class by default extend the object class. Okay, and you check about the toString method. Public it is equals method for checking the equality, and object class is only check the equality of the object. Parent class reference to reference, this means current class and this class object reference to a same object, then it's return true, otherwise return false. Clone, it used for cloning the object. It is prototype. toString, you can see here class name to hex string and hash code. This is the first output. We print the parent class object, right? This is, and after we override this class, this class method in child so that it's print this, right? You can change this. You want to something in JSON format, you write JSON. And run this, you get JSON. And again this is JSON format. Interface is 100% abstract class. It means interface not have any body a method which have body. Interface have only bodiless method. It means not have any body of a method in interface. So right click and create an interface. Employee, and we create here public void get employee. Interface by default abstract. You can write here abstract keyword, and method also by default abstract. You write, not write, it's not affected in the interface. So that an interface only have constant string amp name. will give the compiler employee name is equal to kk sing, right? It's by default static. Static has to be static. By default is static. And final. By default is static final. You can access this employee class by extending, by implement employee. Now child class telling now add implemented method. You get here get employee. Sys out. You can write whatever you want to print. Hello kk sing. You also print the employee name by right here is the child. Right here the child. Can you I also create a new object employee is equal to new child employee dot get employee. You can print now and run this. Hello kk sing and last this is the this print. You also write this in this view employee name, because static can access by the name of the class. Database is also internally class extension. Its work employee name is a constant and it is static. Static can be loaded when a class is loaded inside a permanent space. Permanent space means a variable is reserved only one space in the heap, not every time.